Restaurants across our state have been hit pretty hard by this pandemic, especially since indoor dining is not allowed right now. Well, Nick and Jimmy's in Albuquerque is hoping that a high-tech purification system will be a game changer in their fight against coronavirus. Our Brett Luna checked it out.
I hope that all Americans, all New Mexicans, will understand that this is something that you can't fight by happy talk. You have to fight it by being active. That's what he's done.
Sam Donaldson. Sounds familiar, right? Well, he's talking about the technology Nick and Jimmy's restaurant is using. Tests performed by Microchem Laboratory showed this disinfectant system reduced different viruses, fungi, and bacteria from 91% to more than 99.9%.
The technology comes from hospitals. Actually, it was helped developed by UCLA and NASA. It's on the space station right now.
The Casper unit utilizes photocatalysis to convert air and water molecules into highly effective oxidizing molecules. The actual process is pretty complex, but here's what it boils down to.
It goes everywhere. It coats the walls, it coats underneath the chairs, it gets on top of the tables. It's not just spray disinfecting that just only hits certain surfaces. This is everywhere the HVA system goes.
Nick and Jimmy's owner, Nick Kapnison, says the system costs $40,000 to install, but could be well worth the money spent.
And the money that we spent is nowhere near what places like this would lose without it. And so we're happy with it. And I guess what really makes us real happy about it too is our people are happy. Our people are ready to come to work, they're ready to be here. And so that's important to us too.
Nick says he recently sent the lab test results to the governor and hopes she will thoroughly review it.
I feel like once she learns this system and realize what it is, that and as other people get the system, that it'll rapidly be approved.
We reached out to the governor's office about this. A spokesperson says, quote, "First I've heard of it. Maybe it could be helpful. No wrong door in this public health crisis." Brett Luna, KOB4.